Hi, it's Alex from IndiaMart. Now you will see how to scrape leads and product information from IndiaMart using our solutions. How does it work? As input data, you set the item listing link. Then just launch data extraction process in IndiaMart software. Finally, you receive vendor contacts, product information and other essential data on items. We can also customize our solution to scrape more data if you need. You can get the result data in Excel format, database, or export it directly to your website. If you have any special requirements, we can discuss customization as well. We can provide our solution in the format which is most appropriate for your needs and business processes. The most popular formats are a desktop application, a Chrome extension, and an online service. You get the following benefits using our solution for IndiaMart scraping. Firstly, regular updates, especially essential for IndiaMart, because this website can change the HTML code structure or even the data delivery mechanism. As our customer, you get these updates for free. Secondly, fast tech support. You can send us any request to see it is really fast. Next, our solution implies the possibility of customization. That is refinement for your specific tasks under your business processes. But this is not all. As our customer, you get access to another applications from IndiaMart, among which there are eBay Item Extractor, Manta Contact Scraper, and Amazon Item Extractor. So what are your next steps? Just follow the link below this video. Then test our solution. In case any questions arise, contact us in any convenient way, and we will get in touch within 24 hours. If this information was useful for you, please like this video. And if you want to be notified of our solution updates, subscribe to our channel. Thank you for your attention. See you!